If you're experiencing billing issues on PlayStation, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. This guide will help you navigate common billing concerns. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your PlayStation account is valid and up to date. Log into your account and verify the card details, expiration date, and billing address. Step 2. Review recent transactions. Look at your recent transactions to identify any discrepancies. Check for any unauthorized charges or subscriptions that you may not recognize, as this could indicate a problem. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Sometimes, issues can arise from cache data. Clear the cache and data of the PlayStation app or console. Restart the device and try accessing your account again to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Contact PlayStation support. If the problem continues, reach out to PlayStation support for assistance. Provide them with details about your billing issue, including any error messages you've encountered, to help them resolve the problem more efficiently. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing problems. Regularly check your payment method and transaction history to ensure everything remains in order. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems on PlayStation. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.